Granny's Jumbo. One day, an old woman found a baby elephant. She decided to keep it. The old lady and the baby elephant loved each other very much. The children in the village called the elephant Granny's Jumbo. They played with Jumbo. Jumbo often swung them up in his trunk and then put them down carefully. Granny was becoming old and weak. Jumbo realized that Granny had become weak. He decided to help her. One cloudy day, he was standing by a riverside when an old man came. He looked very tired. He was going to the neighboring village on the other side of the river. The old man could not walk. Jumbo offered to help the old man. He asked the old man to sit on his back and carefully carried him to the neighboring village. The old man was very happy and gave him some money. Jumbo rushed home and gave the money to Granny. Granny had tears of joy in her eyes. She hugged Jumbo and thanked him. She also gave him some tasty bananas to eat.
Now students, open page number 20, lesson number 3, Granny's Jumbo. Here, before start our new lesson, let us see this picture. Do you think the baby elephant is happy? Why? And discuss in the class. Here I can see 3 elephants, right? Father elephant, mother elephant and baby elephant. Yes, and I can see definitely the baby elephant is looking very happy. Why? Because student, because I think they went to the garden and he is very happy to get the chance to play in the open area in the garden by using the different swings and everything, right? So what do you think? Discuss it with your family. Okay, now we are going to see our new story, Granny's Jumbo. The story is about the granny. Here granny means an old woman, grandmother, and the Jumbo. Jumbo is the name of the baby elephant. Okay, so we are going to see this lesson. Let us read. One day, an old woman found a baby elephant. One day, what happened? An old woman, means granny, found a small, cute baby elephant. She decided to keep it. Then, the granny decided to keep the baby elephant with her. The old lady and the baby elephant loved each other very much. The baby elephant was become pet animal of Granny, and the old lady, means Granny, and the baby elephant loved with each other so much. Let us see the next paragraph. The children in the village called the elephant Granny's Jumbo. The children from the village called the elephant as Granny's Jumbo. So it means the children named the little elephant Jumbo. That's why our lesson's name is Granny's Jumbo. The children always played with Jumbo. They played with Jumbo. The children were always playing with Jumbo. Always enjoy with Jumbo. Let us see the next page, student. Let us read the next page, 21. Jumbo often swung them up in his trunk and then put them down carefully. Here, Jumbo used to play with children a lot. He would take the children on his trunk. Swung means move from side to side. move from side to side like seesaw, up and down, and carefully put them down as well. Jumbo was always careful not to hurt the children. Let us see next paragraph. Granny was becoming old and weak. Granny was getting older and weaker day by day. Jumbo realized that Granny had become weak. Then now Jumbo also realized, means he comes to know that Granny was very weak and old now. Weak means feeling very low energy. So Granny has become very old and weak now. Then he decided to help her. Then now this baby elephant Jumbo decided to help Granny. One cloudy day, what happened? One cloudy day, he was standing by a riverside when an old man came. One cloudy day means it was so full of clouds in the sky. Cloudy day means full of clouds in the sky that you cannot see the sun in the cloudy day. We can see little sunshine. So one cloudy day, what happened? Jumbo was standing side to the area of the river. नदी के किनारे he was standing. वो खड़ा था. Then an old man came there. There an old man came there. Okay. He looked very tired. The old man was looking very tired. He was going to the neighboring village on the other side of the river. The old man wanted to go to the neighboring village on the other side of the river. He wanted to cross the river and go to his neighboring village. The old man could not walk. It's already very cloudy day and he was very tired and his village was very far away from the river and he was very tired. That's why he could not walk further. He was so exhausted. So Jumbo, then let us see the next. Jumbo offered to help the old man. Then Jumbo saw the old man and he realized that the man was tired and he need help to go to his village. He asked what he did. He asked the old man to sit on his back. Then what he did? He asked to the he asked to the old man to sit on his back. The old man agreed. Okay, the old man agreed and sat on his back. Then Jumbo carefully carried him to the neighboring village. And then Jumbo carried him carefully and dropped him to the neighboring village. पड़ोस के गांव में वो जम्बो उस ओल्ड मैन को छोड़ के आया. The old man was very happy and gave him some money. Then the old man appreciated the help of Jumbo and he was very happy on Jumbo and happily he gave some money to him. Some money means कुछ पैसे. Some money means कुछ पैसे Jumbo को दे दिए. Jumbo rushed home and gave money to Granny. Rushed home means too much hurry. Very fast he reached the home and gave the money to Granny. He handed over the money in the hands of Granny. Granny had tears of joy in her eyes. Jumbo was very happy to see the money received and he went fast and reached to the home and he handed over the money to the granny. By looking the money and love happy, the granny was very happy to see the Jumbo's love and care for her and she had tears of joy in her eyes. खुशी के आंसू उसके आंखों में आ गए. टीयर्स ऑफ जॉय मीन्स खुशी के आंसू. By looking care and love of the Jumbo on behalf of her. Okay, she hugged Jumbo. Look at the picture. She hugged Jumbo and thanked him. And she thanked him. She also gave him some tasty bananas to eat. Then she gave him some tasty sweet bananas to him. So in this lesson we saw how the Jumbo helps to the old lady, old woman, to the granny. Okay, so students, I hope you understood the lesson very well. Okay, if you are not, then ask in a group if any doubt you have. Okay, thank you, students.